Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your action blocked on Instagram. Alright, so let's say you try to like a photo of your friend on Instagram, it says action blocked. To try to share them, it says action blocked. Right, so this message is for those people who have been doing like harmful thing on Instagram, like let's say they're bullying somebody, or like let's say they're spamming likes on many people's photo. Alright, if you're doing that, then Instagram is going to show you this, thinking you're violating the community guideline of TikTok or you're a bot. All right, so let's say you didn't do any of those things and still your account got this. So the one way to fixing it is by hitting that like and subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. All right, let's move on. Now seriously, the right way to fix this problem is by taking the screenshot of your problem. So as you guys can see, I've taken the screenshot of my problem over here called action blocked. Right, once you have taken the screenshot of your problem, you also take the screenshot. What you can do is change the password of your account. Now why you want to change the password, I'm going to be telling you guys that later. So click on a profile at the bottom of your screen, click on the three dot, go on setting over here. Once over here, go on security and go on passport, and over here change your password. Enter your current password and then enter your new password. Enter your new password again to confirm it. At the top right corner you can see save, click on save and a new password will be saved. After changing the password, what you want to do is come back to your setting again in Instagram and go on help this time. Once you go on help, click on report a problem and click on report problem without shaking. Now it might not show you report problem without shaking, but if it shows you, you can click on that and it's going to bring you over here. Over here, click on upload and choose the screenshot which you took. So I took this screenshot, so I'm going to select that and it's going to be uploaded over here. So you want to write this: hi, someone was using my Instagram account. Now I have changed my password and now I am facing this problem of action blocked. So can you help me fix it? After writing that, at the top right corner you can see next, click on it. They'll view this problem and they'll help you fix it. Now why I told you guys to change your password is, as you guys can see, by changing our password we can make it look like somebody was hacking into our account and we changed our password. Now our account is a bit secure, so we are trying to make Instagram think somebody hacked our Instagram account and did all those activities, even if you did it. All right, so by doing this, Instagram is gonna think it's a hacked account and they'll help you fix your problem. Right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix your action blocked on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.